what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below where you can click on it, get $25 towards your first box, and then I get $25 so I can continue to do these videos. So in the box, you get your bundle, which mine looks like this. And then I got shoes, so they give you this really cute bag. And then you have your return label bag where you can ship back whatever you don't want. In this box, in this envelope, you have your price sheet and a style card. So we'll open this up. And my stylist is still Nikki, which is awesome. And here's my price sheet. All right, so what I'm gonna do for you is read my style card, then I'll show it to you. Hi, Kristen, can you believe only a couple more weeks until Turkey Day? I've stuffed your fix full of the latest fashions that will make your friends and relatives love your style. I unfortunately couldn't find the Madison Dilly Dart Mouth turtleneck pullover in stock, but I did include a similar Leo and Nicole cotton blend button detail pullover for you to try with skinny jeans or leggings. The length is longer, which will be great for your long torso. You recently pinned the red Madison and Lily Cora back detail pullover and the burnt orange Madison Lily Sierra cable detail cardigan, so I included them for you today. You've also pinned several pairs of Tom's flats. I sent you a versatile gray pair. I noticed the bunch of gray dolmens at the top of the board as well, so I sent the Market and Spruce one. Enjoy, Kristen. XOXO Nikki. Okay, so here is my style card, if you'd like to see the items. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go through the items and do the prices at the end, and then on the side here, I'll also have the item and the price for you so you can see it and request it if you'd like it. Okay, so the first item I have today is my shoes. Okay. All right, so it looks like Tom's. They're a gray pair, which are really cute. They're really squishy. I really like the color. It is versatile, so it does go with everything. So let's see what they are. They are the Tom's Classic Solid Canvas Slip-On in a size 8, and the color is gray. So with Tom's, I think they run a little bit big, so I'll try them on and see. If I like them, I can always size down, but these are really cute. They're versatile. Yeah. So let's get to the next one. Actually, I'll read you the prices. So these Toms are $48, which isn't bad. Okay, so let's get into the bundle here. It looks nice, really cute for fall. Okay, so we got the first item here. This was the longer sweater that she was speaking about. And it's a turtleneck. It's really nice. I like it. It could be worn with leggings, so we'll try this on. And this here is the Leo and Nicole Shayna Cotton Blend Button Detail Pullover in black in a size extra small. And then the price on this is $68. So that is a little bit pricey, but it feels like it's really nice quality. So yeah, we'll try that on and see what it looks like, but I really like these colors. This is more me. Okay, so the next item here is, it kind of matches this, but this is pink, and this is like kind of like a burnt orange. So what do we got here? This looks like a cardigan, really cute. It has the flaps over, very nice. And this is the material. It's kind of the same as the other sweater, which is like a mix with white and like a burnt orange. So it's really nice. It's kind of longer. And this is the Madison Lily Sarah Cable Detail Cardigan in burnt orange, and it's a size extra small. And the price on that is $44. So it's not bad. Really great quality, it feels like. Okay, the next is the gray dolman top that she stated. This is really cute too as well. So in the front, it's kind of the solid gray, and then you get to the sides and the sleeves at the end, and there's some white stripes, and then on the back, it has gray and white stripes. So this is really cute. So this is the Market and Spruce and Saldoma knit top in gray, and it's a size extra small. And let's see here, $48, not bad. Okay, the last item is a sweater. This is cute. I like the crisscross in the back, so you'll see the design. It's another weave where it's the color and a white or a cream mixed into it. Here is the pattern for you guys to see. And then the back, it's kind of cool. We'll see how far down it goes, but it has some crisscrossing. I like that, very nice. So this is the Madison and Lily Cora back detail pullover in red, and it's a size extra small, and $38, not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna try everything on, and at the end I'll give you my final review and let you know what I'm keeping. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first item is this cardigan. It's really cute. I love how it fits. I like how this is in the front. I'm gonna pull you guys down a little bit so you can see how far it goes down. It has a little bunching here, like some extra material, but I think this is really nice. I like the color. It fits really nice. So here, I apologize, the sun's out and it's coming in. But here's the color, and it's really cute for fall, the color, and it gets my skin. So this one here, I think is only like $38 or $48, which isn't bad. It's really heavy and comfortable and nice for fall. And what I'm gonna do is pair it with the Toms next, and then we can see what that looks like. So here are the Toms. They are really comfortable and they actually fit. And I just went in there and asked my husband if he likes them, and he said he does. And I think these would be great for work. They're super cozy, and it goes great with this outfit. Yeah, I really like this a lot. Let me know your guys' opinion about the Toms, but I thought they ran big. But yeah, I really like them. Okay guys, so next here, let me bring it down a little bit more, is this gray top. It's the dolman style. I actually really like this. It's really cute. It cuts up a little high here, and then it goes down and it kind of bunches a little bit in the back, but it's super comfortable and cozy, and it's not super tight. It fits really nice, and I still have the Toms on, and it works with the Toms. So yeah, I like this. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the pattern here. Cute. Okay guys, so next is this top. This is the pattern. It's comfortable. I really like it. It's plain kind of in the front. It has a cut up the side, and it's not too much. But then in the back, you could see it has the crisscrosses, and it's a little bit of different style, so I kind of like it. I could probably wear a black shirt underneath or a white tank top here underneath. But yeah, this is really cute. This one's only like $38, so it's not bad. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so here is the last top. It's really cute. I'm gonna show you something I didn't realize when I picked it out. It has 3 buttons here. I undid one. You can undo as many as you want. It's really cute. I'm gonna bring you up a little bit so you can see. Here's the pattern, and then it's a turtleneck. It's really cute. It fits really nice. I'm not sure, so let me know what you guys think. I think this is a really nice box. So I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts and let you guys know everything I liked and if I didn't like anything. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I'm back with my final thoughts. My hair is sticking out. So first off, the Toms, these are extremely comfortable. They're gray and I love them, and I am definitely gonna keep these. I'm putting them back on my feet because I'm gonna wear them today. Next item is this sweater here. I absolutely love this. I'm definitely gonna keep this as well. The burnt orange cardigan. I absolutely love this. I am gonna definitely keep this. The gray dolman top. So cute, so comfortable, so soft. I am definitely gonna keep that. And this sweater, red sweater, I love this and I'm keeping it. So guess what? This is a 5 for 5. I am keeping everything. So let's go over the price sheet here. So my total came to $246. Buy all 5 discount is $61.50. My total is $184.50. Love it, keeping everything. Nikki did an amazing job. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.